Hey there, welcome to ClearSpot AI. Today, we're diving into the solar energy revolution sweeping across the Asia-Pacific region. It's a story packed with innovation, bold policies, and a massive shift toward a greener future, all powered by the sun. Let's jump right in and explore how this region is leading the charge in solar energy transition and growth trends. Why Asia-Pacific is the solar powerhouse. The Asia-Pacific, or APAC region, is the undisputed king of solar energy adoption. Picture this. Over 65% of the world's solar installations are right here. By 2025, this region is set to gobble up 50% of global electricity demand, and solar is the star of the show. Leading the pack is China, with a mind-blowing 390 gigawatts of solar capacity, more than 3 times what the US and India have combined. But it's not just China stealing the spotlight. India, Vietnam, and Australia are stepping up big time, rolling out everything from rooftop panels to massive solar farms. The APAC solar market? It's projected to hit $1 trillion by 2034, growing at over 25% a year. Buckle up, this is huge! Tech that's changing the game. Solar power isn't just growing, it's getting smarter and cheaper. Since 2010, costs have dropped by 89%, thanks to killer innovations. Think bifacial modules that soak up sunlight from both sides and perovskite cells pushing efficiency past 22%. China's got the manufacturing game on lock, producing over 80% of the world's solar panels, which keeps prices low. But here's where it gets wild. Floating solar farms are popping up on lakes and reservoirs in places like Vietnam and India, tackling land scarcity head-on. And hybrid systems? They're mixing solar with wind or batteries to deliver power 24/7. It's like solar's getting a superpower upgrade. Policy power. Governments going all in. Governments across APAC are throwing their weight behind solar, and it's paying off. China's 2024 Clean Energy Plan is aiming for 1 billion tons of renewable energy by 2025. That's next-level ambition. India's dropping billions into its production-linked incentive scheme to boost homegrown solar manufacturing. Over in Vietnam, feed-in tariffs sparked a rooftop solar explosion. 9.3 gigawatts in 2024 alone. Even smaller players like Thailand are cutting red tape to make solar adoption a breeze. These policies aren't just talk, they're lighting up the region. Trends to watch. Solar for everyone. Solar's going local, and it's awesome. Decentralized systems and microgrids are bringing power to remote spots. Indonesia's got over 15,000 village microgrids, and Bangladesh is powering 20 million lives with off-grid solar. Plus, battery storage costs have crashed 70% since 2018, making solar a round-the-clock champ. And here's the next big thing: green hydrogen. Projects like Australia's Murchison facility are using solar to create clean fuel. Solar's not just for electricity anymore, it's rewriting the energy playbook. The challenge is not all sunshine. It's not all smooth sailing though. Grid congestion is a buzzkill in places like Japan and India, where old infrastructure can't keep up. Land scarcity? That's real too, but it's sparking cool fixes like agrivoltaics, where solar panels share space with crops. China's already rocking this with projects like its 100 megawatt Ningxia setup. These hurdles are big, but they're pushing APAC to innovate even harder. The future solar's bright horizon. The outlook? It's blindingly bright. Southeast Asia alone has a 500 gigawatt solar pipeline, and the region's growth rate is clocking in at over 25% annually. To keep this train rolling, governments need to pump cash into grids/bureaucracy and team up with companies like Total Energies, who are targeting 2 gigawatts of decentralized solar. By 2030, renewable capacity here could triple, with solar leading the charge and kicking coal to the curb. APAC's not just in the game, it's setting the pace for the world. Final thoughts. The Asia-Pacific region is at the forefront of the solar energy revolution. With cutting-edge tech, powerhouse policies, and a fierce commitment to sustainability, it's leading the world toward a cleaner, greener tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on ClearSpot AI for more deep dives into the wild world of energy. See you next time. ClearSpot, smart device, smarter decisions.